Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share an easy, quick recipe. It is this Taiwanese 3-cup mushroom and tofu, and this is one of my favorite Taiwanese dishes. I used to love having this at restaurants when I was not vegan, but now I just veganize it at home. I'll be using some lion's mane mushrooms. They're really juicy and meaty, just like chicken. So if you can find this mushroom, definitely use it in this recipe. But if you can't, you can use some other kind of mushroom like oyster mushrooms or king oyster mushrooms. I can't wait to get cooking, so let's get started. Firstly, you'll need to chop up some ingredients. You'll need 3 slices of ginger. Cut up some medium firm tofu into these 1-inch pieces. In a hot wok, add some cooking oil and swirl it around so that it coats the wok. Then add the slices of ginger, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 dried chili. Have your heat on medium-low. Saute for about 3 to 4 minutes until the garlic has turned into a golden brown color. Then add in your lion's mane mushroom or any mushroom of your choice. Here I use some frozen cooked lion's mane mushroom. I'm pan frying them so they get a nice crispy texture and golden brown color on the outside. Once they're golden brown on both sides, add in the tofu. Now add some water, Chinese cooking wine, sugar, soy sauce, sesame oil, dark soy sauce, then toss to combine well. I'm adding a little bit more dark soy sauce. It depends on how dark you want your dish to be. I like mine pretty dark, so I'm adding a bit more. Let it cook on medium-low heat for 1 to 2 minutes until your sauce has thickened and it coats all the tofu and mushrooms. Once the sauce is ready, add in the Thai basil. Saute on a medium-high heat until all the leaves have wilted down. Now your dish is ready. Really easy and quick dish. I love having this dish with some white rice. Look at how juicy and meaty these mushrooms are. Let's try the 3-cup mushroom tofu. These mushrooms just soaked up all the soy sauce and basil flavor, and it's just so meaty and juicy and just good. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. If you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like or comment down below what other recipes you'd like me to make. I hope you all take care, and I hope to see you in my next video. I'll see you all very soon, so